Welcome to Buffalo Now. I'm Ellen Maxwell and I'm here today with Phil Greiner of Buffalo Brick and Mortar. Phil, what is Buffalo Brick and Mortar?
We buy houses cash throughout Erie and Niagara County. Any condition, any situation, we're here to make the process extremely easy for the consumer.
So what makes it easier than putting your house on the market?
There's no fees. We handle the entire transaction, come out, give you an offer within 24 hours, can move the closing as fast as possible. At the end of the day, we're here to meet the consumer's needs.
So maybe if somebody inherited a house they don't necessarily want, you can help?
Absolutely. We can help them through the surrogates court process and the closing process. Our office handles the entire transaction, can help relocate some items if need be, whatever we have to do to make this as easy as possible.
What if the house is dilapidated?
Not an issue at all. Any condition, any location throughout Erie and Niagara County, we can come out and make this easy.
Can you do anything for people who are looking to get rid of tenants, maybe looking to get rid of the property for that reason?
We buy with tenants in place. That is not an issue. Absolutely.
So to connect with you, can people just visit your website or the number on our screen?
Yeah, please check us out on the web or give us a call anytime.
Thank you for joining us for Buffalo Now.
Buffalo Now has been sponsored by Buffalo Brick and Mortar.